Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting Gemini ready, install or update the app, then sign in with your Google account so data syncs properly. Once done, grant microphone and camera permissions if you plan to use voice or image input. This avoids permission prompts mid-task. Next, choose the model mode and select voice or text input. Make sure you understand latency differences between modes. This first pass puts the app in a state where you can immediately feed prompts and receive useful, context-aware responses. Now you build the interaction. Write a clear prompt stating your goal, constraints, and preferred response format. This guides Gemini toward actionable output. If you have images or files, attach them and allow Gemini to analyze content. Similarly, enable web or clipboard access when up-to-date or personal content is needed. Then tune the model. Lower temperature for precise answers, raise it for creative ideas, set response length, and configure memory so Gemini recalls context across turns. These tweaks improve accuracy and relevance. Finish by iterating on Gemini's replies. Ask follow-up questions, request numbered steps, or ask for concise summaries to convert output into action items. Use built-in tools to export, share, or copy results into documents, or follow suggested actions directly when supported. If responses go off track, try rephrasing your prompt, reset the conversation, or clear the app cache. If issues persist, toggle permissions and restart the app before escalating to support. One key tip: reproduce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.